To create a tree model, we first need to enable the Sapling add-on on the Preference tab. On the Add-on tab, click on the search box and type Sapling. Click on the Sapling Tree Gen to enable it. Now, press Shift-A to open up Add Object tab. Go to the Curve option and select Sapling Tree Gen. If you go to the bottom left corner, there are a lot of parameters that you can change to create the tree that you want. If you click outside of the Sapling Tree Option tab, you won't be able to change any of these parameters anymore. So make sure you're satisfied with the tree model before you close the tab. Now, there is a lot of parameters that you can experiment on, but we will focus only on the geometry and the number of leaf option. On the Geometry tab, this 3 option will change the branch distribution and the type of tree model that you want. You can change the number according to your preference. You also can use the Shape option tab to generate different tree model using these preset. To add leaves on the tree model, simply change the Setting tab from Geometry to Leaves. And then, click on Show Leaves. You can set the total number of the leaves by changing this number. You also can experiment with the leaves distribution option on here, to get the tree model that you want. Close the tab after you satisfied with your model by selecting the tree model. To move the tree, you have to select the tree branch and not the leaves. If you try to move the tree by selecting the leaves, only the leaves will be moved. These Sapling Tree add-on will automatically separate the branch and the leaves as 2 different mesh, so it's easier to create the material for the branch and for the leaves. And for this tutorial, let's add a simple color to the branch and leaves. Go to the rendered viewport and choose Cycle for better result.